All right, guys, I'm back with another video. Today what we're going to be installing is these Hardrace shifter bushings. This is the part number right there for them. I'm going to be installing them on the Integra. I already got it up on jack stands. I'm going to be installing these bushings. Going through the process right now of basically refreshing all of the bushings on this car. I ordered the front LCA bushings from Hardrace, the compliance bushings also from Hardrace. Basically most of it's going to be all through Hardrace. So yeah, those you'll be able to catch those in another video. For now, it'll just be these. As I said, there's a part number for it, and these are the shifter bushings. So it comes with the bushing that goes all the way on the rod at the end, in the front by the transmission. And this black one right there goes inside the car underneath the center console. So we're gonna be changing all of those right now. I got a track day set up for November 7th at Streets of Willow. So be sure to stay tuned for that one, because I'll be vlogging that day too and showing you a little bit of me on track. So as I said, I got the car already on jack stands. We're gonna get this thing going. First I'm gonna start with the back, and then work my way to the front. Kind of claustrophobic, and I don't really like being under the car. That's why I'm doing the back side first before I do the rest. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I got the shift linkage out, gave it a little clean because it was super grimy. So now this little boot, the Hardrace supplies, that one goes down here. So I'm gonna have to remove these two nuts on the bottom to get to that one. So now that everything's both apart, got both pieces. This boot, I ended up ripping it off and keeping the little piece that's inside. That piece is gonna go inside of here. So this over here is just gonna be trash that you don't need. There's your hardware. Those two go on the ends of the shifter. So now we're gonna put this boot on. All inside, and you're gonna slip it over the shifter all the way down to the seat. So the shifter bushing was installed upside down. This is the correct orientation, as you can see in number 11 on the diagram. So those two together, I'm gonna put the little bolt through the bottom. The washer, and then the nut. Same with this one. Take the washer off. Cut the bolt. Put the washer. In place, and now with that in place, I can start to tighten it up. Alright, so now that's in place. Very good. Then that was on the other side. That. All right, now something's put together wrong right here. Maybe you can tell what it is. My dumbass still hasn't caught on yet. Okay, and then that's done, move on to this one. This one's gonna be easier to take off than the next one's gonna be to put on. They're about the same height. This one's a little bit stiffer, so it's not gonna be as easy to go in. think the opening is smaller too. Yeah. So that part's in. Now all that's left. So the shifter bushings are installed. Everything's working well. Well, for the most part. As for the Hardrace bushings, it made the shifter a lot more, like, it got rid of a lot of the play, and not so much the side to side, but the front and back, you know, shifting feels a lot more better. It's just that as soon as I put everything back together, I had a huge major fail. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Yo, what the fuck? Bro.
Got him! Got him!
I really put the shifter on backwards. So now I gotta take this whole thing apart and face it the other way. Because it's supposed to go up, back, and it's going forward. But for the most part, good, worth the money. Just make sure when you're putting everything back together, don't do like me and put this shifter the wrong way, because now you got to do this shit over again. But that's it for this video. Once again, thanks again for following. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think I'm a fuck up, let me know in the comments. All right, peace.